Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by parking level, shutting the engine, and disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorting. Once done, remove the small plastic cover or wheel well access panel to reach the headlight back. You'll see the bulb type labeled H7 or H11 and a wiring connector. Make sure to wear gloves and give the bulb 10 to 15 minutes to cool. This prevents burns and keeps oils off the new bulb, which can shorten its life. You now unclip the wiring harness tab and pull the connector straight back. Avoid twisting to prevent breaking the socket. Next, release the bulb retainer. Some Jettas use a turn lock, others a metal clip, so observe its orientation and use steady pressure. Pull the bulb straight out to prevent scraping the reflector. Before installing, compare the new bulb to the old one. Match base type, orientation, and wattage. Make sure you don't touch the glass with bare fingers. Oils create hot spots and shorten life. You insert the new bulb in the same orientation it came out, secure the retainer, and reconnect the wiring harness firmly so it seats fully. Once that's done, reconnect the negative battery terminal, start the car, and test low and high beams. Make sure aim is correct at night and adjust if necessary. If the bulb flickers or stays dark, check the connector pins for corrosion, verify the headlight fuse, and confirm the ground. Swapping an unknown good bulb.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.